Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Life360 app not working on iPhone. So to fix Life360 app not working on iPhone, first what you can do is check for location permission. So to check your location permission, what you can do is go to your iPhone settings and then go to your search bar and search for privacy and security. Tap on it. Once you tap on privacy and security, go to location services. Now scroll down to Life360 and make sure that the precise location is turned on. The next what you can do is go to your iPhone settings one more time and then go to your search bar, tap on general. Once you tap on general, go to background app refresh. Tap on it. Now scroll down to Life360 and make sure that it is turned on for Life360. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.